Another door. More of the story. The priest learned of Simhotep's plan and had him put to death. And so that no embarrassment would befall the pharaoh, Simhotep's plans were kept secret, and the public was told only that the priest died of natural causes. He was, therefore, buried in his rightful position of honor. God, this story's long. Here's more. It says when E.T. Tarfin learned the true nature of Simhotep's death, she was filled with guilt and took her own life. The gods, angered by her actions, sentenced her soul to be born into other bodies again and again. The scroll was never found by the pharaoh and was believed to be a lie told by Set. It's not a mummy. It's a fake. It's the man who was guarding the entrance to the mine. What the hell is going on? Maybe Glory would know something about this.
What the hell are you doing? You just about scared my breakfast out of me, crawling out of the ground like some slithering worm.
There are tombs, and I've been in them. A lot of strange things are going on here, Davenport, and I don't think I like what I'm discovering.
Come on now, Cameron. Do you expect me to believe your hallucinations? Don't you know what the temperature can do to a man's mind out here? Tombs? Come on.
Michael? Oh, how long have I been... how long have I been sleeping? What's going on? What?
Oh, just an average day, really. Let's see. First, I found an entrance to an ancient Egyptian tomb. Yeah, that happens a lot in Manhattan. Then I dodged some deadly traps and had to kill someone dressed as a mummy who attacked me. Imagine, me, Mr. Desk Job.
You what? My God. But how could someone else have been in there already? It doesn't seem very likely that he came through the traps too. Michael, do you think that there's another entrance down there?
Yeah, there's another door, but I couldn't figure out how to open it. I did find this. Any ideas?
Oh, this is interesting. Look. It separates into 4 different sections. This is similar to something I found at a dig near Cairo last year. It opened the same way. You just had to put pressure in the right place. Here.
The shape of the pieces are similar to indentations on the door I couldn't open. This might be some sort of multiple-piece key. I should go back down there. Thanks, Lori.
Oh.
I need to find some kind of light before I go in there.
Hello. I welcome you to my domain. I am Simhotep, former high priest to the pharaoh Natanika, and now rightful master of all the Egyptian lands.
Great. First someone tries to scare me with fake mummies, and now a fake ghost.
Oh no, Michael Cameron. I am not a false spirit.
My God. How did he know what I was thinking? How does he know my name?
Yes, I can read your thoughts. But enough of this. I have plans for you. They involve the scroll you have. Come now. I will show you things you never dreamed possible.
By the way, those obelisks are very dangerous, not to be toyed with, I promise you. If you cause them to move in the wrong manner, the entire cavern could collapse, as they have the power to move the ground, and much, much more. Now, come. This is my burial chamber, where my body has been for the past 3,000 years, and where I, as a spirit, have remained. But no longer, for you now have within your grasp the means to raise the dead, to resurrect my body. Recite the poem in the scroll. Breathe life back into my body. Do it now.
This isn't right. This isn't...
Read the poem. You must read the poem!
Why do you need me? Why don't you read the poem?
That will not work. The words must flow from one who has a body. I am now only spirit. Read the poem. You must read the poem! If you help me, I will help you. There are robbers defiling these tombs. I know of this. I know you seek to stop them and return order to your mining operation. If you help me, I will help you stop them.
Setem tan hun huar denip ara ui.
I am alive!
Thank you, Michael Cameron. Thank you. Now I must raise my queen. But I must have that scroll.
No! You said you'd help me. You didn't say anything about your queen.
Give it to me now!